Will be brief. I wanted to start by saying that I appreciate the partnerships that have been developed between the Ypsilanti Police, the Sheriff's Office, and Eastern Michigan University Police through the Eastern Washington Safety Alliance. This relationship is key in taking on large issues such as the one that our communities are facing now. We've been operating on this alliance for just over a year, and now that the foundation has been laid, it allows us to be able to set things in motion much more quickly and more efficiently. The sharing of those resources, the commingling of our personnel between the departments allows us to exponentially do more than we could do alone. I realize that we're here to talk about what we're going to do going forward, but I'm remiss in not acknowledging the good work that's been done by our officers and deputies already in some of these cases. A great deal of intelligence has been gathered, arrests have been made in several of the incidents, and investigations continue to move forward. I would emphasize that these successes were results of the departments of the Eastern Washington Safety Alliance working together and sharing information. However, this has been reactive. This initiative is proactive. We will not sit back and wait for the next tragedy to occur. Because if we do nothing, it is guaranteed the violence will continue and will probably increase. I'll repeat what the sheriff has already said. We in law enforcement and the community at large will not tolerate the behavior that disrupts the safety, security, and quality of life for our citizens. We will be persistent, focused, and resolved to returning peace and security to our neighborhoods. If you are an individual or group that chooses to behave in a manner contrary to our community standards, there will be consequences. We will be relentless in our pursuit of identifying you and effecting your arrest. However, again, I want to stress that this is not just a law enforcement problem alone. The best asset to a police agency can have is a well-informed and engaged community. As was evidenced in the large turnout last Saturday's Stop the Violence rally, the community is engaged. It is my hope that this is only the beginning and that the relationships and engagement not only continue but increase. We are better together, and together we can make a greater difference. Lastly, I'd like to extend our condolences to the families of both the victims on both sides of this violence. The killing of our young men, incarcerating the offenders is a tragedy for our community. And I turn it over to Chief Hayes.